Hello, my name is Patty Yancey, and I am your instructor for EDUC 620, Pedagogy, Practice, and Research. I look forward to getting to know you and working with you in this online graduate course. First, this video will serve as an introduction to me and will outline your first assignment, which is designed for each of you to introduce yourselves to me and to your classmates online. The assignment details are included at the end of this short video. Okay, let's get started. First of all, a bit of background material on myself. I joined the HSU School of Education faculty in the fall of 2003. Immediately prior to coming to HSU, I directed the Arts in Education Collaborative at the University of San Francisco and taught in the credential and master's programs there from 1999 to 2003. Before that, I was at the University of California, Berkeley in the Graduate School of Education, where I earned my MA in Educational Psychology and PhD in Social and Cultural Studies in Education. During my undergraduate years, I majored in Fine and Applied Arts and received my BA from the American University in Washington, D.C. My present research and practice centers around the visual and performing arts, arts education, and public school reform. Prior to graduate school, I worked as a graphic artist and illustrator and as an art teacher and artist in schools and K-12 schools. My specialty was integrating the arts with the other subject areas in the curriculum. I taught both visual arts and dance in K-12 schools and in children's museums and after-school programs. I also choreographed and taught dance classes for children and youth musical theater companies and musical theater productions. In addition to teaching the arts, I directed a number of California Arts Council Challenge Projects that trained artists in schools and placed them in semester and year-long residencies in elementary and middle schools. An example of one of these CSC Challenge Projects is represented here by the Romeo and Juliet program flyer and Carnival parade photo on your screen. This particular project was a year-long multi-artist, interdisciplinary, multi-school residency with 3 San Francisco public schools, James Denman Middle School, Bryant Elementary, and Marshall Elementary Schools. Another California Arts Council Challenge grant sparked a fruitful partnership for me with the San Francisco Performing Arts Library and Museum and other nonprofits in the Bay Area and Los Angeles. These collaborations concentrated on developing professional development experiences for classroom teachers using original artifacts and historical documents in museums. Designing and implementing these professional development programs was what piqued my interest in going back to graduate school and focusing on teacher development, school reform, and arts education. In addition to serving on the School of Education faculty, I also teach as an instructor for the Osher Lifelong Learning Institute, otherwise known as OLLI. This past spring, I taught 2 courses for OLLI, The Illusion of Color and Mandala. The pictures you see on the screen are of student work in the 3-session Mandala class. The culminating class took place on Trinidad Beach with students working together to design and create one mandala using only materials found that day on the beach. Okay, that's enough about me. Let's now move on to your first assignment. In this exercise, you will create a short video about yourself to share with the class. Here are the steps. Fill out the powerful learning experience questionnaire on the Moodle site. You see a copy of this questionnaire on your screen. Next, locate the directions for recording videos provided on the Moodle site under the title Tutorials for Creating Introductions. After reading these directions, record a short video of yourself to share with the class. Use your completed questionnaire as an informal script to guide your talk. The purpose of this exercise is, of course, to supply some information about ourselves so that we can begin to get to know each other. In addition to this exercise will familiarize you with creating and uploading short videos. And, most importantly, I want to situate each of us as learners in the phenomenon of learning and teaching. How we learn and our experiences as learners greatly influence the teachers, parents, colleagues, and managers we become. After uploading your introductory video, your next task is to peruse the Moodle site and the syllabus. After doing this, access Introductory Video Number 2 for a brief orientation about the weekly structure of the class, the constitution of weekly discussion groups, weekly assignments, and the final project.